So we're starting on these windows and we've got to finish these ones off. As you can see, we've done the sashes already, but now what we've got to do is do the external facings. And we've taken one off already. And that's what the inside of the box looks like. I'll give you another shot of that in a few minutes. If you could, Mike, if you could just lift up the window, the sash, sorry. So as the sash goes up, the weights go down. Very, very simple principle. If you could drop the bottom sash, please. Oh, that is a Z. Yeah, show again. That's it. It's such a simple system, but it's by far the best in my opinion. There you can see it. That's it.
Looking good though.
It's looking a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all open. Right. Right. It's starting to look something now. It looks a lot better than it did this morning anyway. Still a long way off finished, but there you've got the outline of what we're doing. The hardest part of this whole operation has been cutting the rounds. That was originally mopstick, handrail basically, and what we've done is we've cut out the internals so they fit properly. So a little bit closer, we're leaving the scaffold up so that the client can do whatever needs to be done. But as you can see, it looks a good deal better than it did before. Before, after. So, that's it almost finished. Whoops, I'm gonna break my neck here. Yeah. That's not missing paint, that's the high gloss finish.
It is.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. This.
The water is running off nicely.
Oh. Go. And there we have the painter. Come on, do a hula hoop. Yeah, she took her life in her hands.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Oh dear. Right, next week we take the scaffolding down.